guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a handy tip from Handy Emma. Now I like an organised cupboard. I like all my tins all lined up and so they're all nice and neat in there. But I've got a dilemma at the top of my cupboard here where I've just got packets of rice, packets of like seasoning and things like that, and so every time that I try to get up there I've got packets of rice falling on me. And I can't reach the back because I'm a little bit small, so I was trying to come up with an idea on how I could solve that problem. And as you know me, I don't like to throw anything away, so I've got my milk cartons and I'm going to do a fabulous hack with these. So keep watching and I'll show you what I do with these. Right, first of all, we're just going to take this off. And then we're just going to, as the line is here, we're just going to cut all away this line. So it's like a guideline. So you can just pierce your bottle. And then you can make a nice, neat cut all the way around. So this is part of our storage. It's all nice and clean in there. We'll do that to all of these. Now these are our 4 little containers. So now I've got an old biscuit tin here and I'm going to use the bottom of the base and the top in this. Now you could just put all your packets in there, but I want mine set individually. So you put these in. And then that's a really nice tight fit for these. So what we need to do is fill them. This is what I've got out of that cupboard. So I did need a little bit of storage. So if you've got packets like this, all the stuff goes down to the bottom. So if you just make it all nice and flat. So there's about 7 in here. But all we need to do is to place them aside. And then this one is just for my chicken casseroles or sausage casseroles. Into there. Now that's going to make my life so much easier when I can just go up to the cupboard, pull this out, have what I need. And for the other bits on the other side, I'm just going to place these on top there. So if you've got any more, you can put some down the side. But these are what I've got at the moment. So we're just going to put these into the cupboard. So this is the end result. And now it's all nice, neat and tidy and it's not falling over at the top of my cupboard. So now it's all nice. I can place that in there. And then when I come to need anything, I can just grab it, pull it out, get what I need and then put it back in. And then for the lid I've just put some of these little soups on there. You can put whatever you like on there and then I can grab it again and then put it back in. Now I don't need to go and get my 6-foot son anymore, so can you get this out the back of the cupboard for me because I'm a little bit smaller. If you've liked the video then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all. And then that will let you know when I've made my next video.